Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add song to Instagram Notes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking here. So once you done that, you simply need to open Instagram application, and then you need to click on this icon in the top right. Here you need to click on the plus icon, and here you can see an option to add song. Click on that and you can browse different songs from here. Click on any song and you can easily add that song into your note. So this is a process by which you can add note to you can add song to Instagram notes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.